What's happening, guys? Today, let's make Soma's apple risotto from episode 16 of Food Wars. An easy and delicious way to start your morning. To begin, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna dice one small medium-sized onion into small, more manageable pieces. And when you're finished with that, go ahead and peel one red apple. If you can manage to do this in one smooth motion, first off, hats off to you because you're awesome. Second, hold on to this because you're going to be able to turn this into a small rose to garnish your dish. Simply roll it up skin side facing outwards and use a toothpick to hold it together. And just like that, you have a cute and simple garnish to impress. Now back to your apple. Go ahead and cut it into smaller, more manageable pieces, making sure to nibble on the core for quality control. Then dice the rest of it into small cubes. Quality control just a little bit more, and then place the apples into water to prevent them from browning. Oxidation is the enemy here, so set the apples aside until you are ready to use them. Then grate 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now for your cooking liquid, go ahead and combine 1.5 cups of water, 1.5 cups of apple juice, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Tiny whisk this all together to combine. Then prepare some very thick cut bacon. Here I have a couple slices that I will be air frying between 2 trays so that they don't curl up during the cooking process. Set this to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 3 to 5 minutes. Flip and then season generously with freshly cracked black pepper. Stack and pop back in for another 3 to 6 minutes to finish up. Now on the stovetop, heat up a pan and line with a tablespoon of oil. And drop in your onion with a pinch of salt along with some arborio rice. It has to be the arborio rice. You cannot make risotto with just any rice. Stir until the onion has become translucent and oil has coated everyone in the pan. Then pour in some of your cooking liquid, but not all of it. You'll have to do this in parts while stirring frequently. Do this on a medium heat so that the rice has time to properly absorb all the cooking liquid each time before you pour more in. If the flame is too high, you could burn it, and if it's too low, it won't absorb and cook well. Once all your liquid has been used, sprinkle your cheese, drop in a bit of butter, add back the apple that we cut earlier, and season with more freshly cracked black pepper. Squeeze just a little bit of lemon juice. The lemon will really help cut all the richness, and lastly but not least, you should really consider subscribing to the channel if you like anime related content and leaving a like on the video. Leaving a like on the video is really the best free way you can support small creators like myself and help us create more content for you to enjoy. Now with the plug out of the way, let's get back to the risotto. Stir together to combine and until you reach a thick and creamy consistency. For reference, it should look just like this. For assembly, it's really easy. Go ahead and grab a bowl or plate of your choice. Carefully lay down your cooked bacon. Garnish with a little bit of parsley. Totally optional, but cute as hell. Top with your apple peel from earlier if you managed to get through that step. And there we have my iteration of Soma Yukihira's apple risotto from Food Wars. If you want to go ahead and try to make this at home, I've left the ingredient list down below in the description to make it easy for you, and as well as all the links to my social media if you want to follow me there. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you on the next one, you bunch of nerds.